This is a 2008 Lexus GX 470. It features a 4.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, skid plates, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, variable valve timing, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, front fog lights, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Thank you for considering Schumacher Automotive for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership, located at 3720 North Lake Boulevard in Lake Park.